Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're an Asana user, you already know how important it is to keep your workspace organized and aligned with your team's goals. But what happens when your team evolves and that old workspace name no longer fits? In today's video, I'll walk you through a complete step-by-step guide on how to rename your Asana workspace in 2025. Stick with me till the end so you don't miss any details. First, let's start with the basics. Renaming your workspace isn't just cosmetic. It helps reinforce your team's identity, keep things professional, and reflect any new focus areas or projects. Luckily, the process is straightforward once you know where to look. Step 1. Log in to Asana. Head over to the official Asana login page. Enter your email address, continue, then add your password. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your Asana homepage. Step 2. Access the admin console. Look to the top right corner of your screen and click on your profile picture or avatar. A drop-down menu will appear. From here, select Admin Console. Step 3. Navigate to Workspace Settings. Inside the Admin Console, you'll see different tabs. Click on the Settings tab, which is where you can manage workspace details. Step 4. Rename your workspace. Find the field labeled Workspace Name. Click on it and type in your new name. Take a moment to double-check the spelling and make sure it accurately reflects your team or project. Step 5. Save your changes. Once you're happy with the new name, scroll down or look near the Workspace field for the Save Changes button. Click it and that's it. Your workspace has now been successfully renamed. Before we wrap up, here are a few key takeaways. Renaming. Your workspace is essential for staying organized and professional. The entire process is managed through the admin console once you're logged in. And finally, always double-check your new workspace name before saving to avoid mistakes. And that's your full guide to renaming an Asana workspace in 2025. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech and productivity tips, and share this video with your team. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.